Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Roblox user ID on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on the Roblox app on your iPhone, you'll notice that there's nowhere in the app itself that shows you what your user ID is. It's kind of a limitation to the app itself. However, you can still find it on your iPhone. We just need to open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. Now, once we're on there, we will type in roblox.com and hit enter. And here you will see that it will give you the option to continue an app or continue in the browser. And we want to continue in the browser. Now, I've already logged in, but at this point it will ask you to log into your Roblox account that you want to find that user ID for on your iPhone. And once you're logged in, you will tap the three lines at the very top left here, and then you'll tap Profile right under Home. Once that loads with your profile, what you can do to find your user ID is at the very bottom here or on Chrome and might be at the top. But you want to tap on the address bar here, and you can see it says roblox.com/users. And if we scroll over, it has a long number 335,074. That is my specific Roblox user ID, so I can tap on that number here, and I can hit select, and then I can copy it. I can paste that Roblox user ID and use it wherever I want. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe.